friends, we are so excited that you are joining us this week for our Cloud Slime Take and Make Lab. What you're going to find in your kit is you're going to get glue. I've already pre-measured mine. Shaving cream, a spoon, baking soda. The white powder is baking soda, and the clear liquid is saline solution, and you will get some food coloring. You'll also get a little recipe card. This is my big recipe card that I use for classes in the store, but you'll get a recipe card as well in your kit. The only two things that you're gonna need from your home kitchen are a 1 cup measuring cup and a 1/2 cup measuring cup, all right? All right, so your container that all of your supplies came in, actually, it is your bowl for making your slime. So you'll read the instructions before you do the slime and then as you go. That way you make sure you're doing it right. The first thing you're gonna do is really fun. You're gonna shake your shaving cream. Make sure you shake it really, really good. And then you're gonna take the lid off, and you are going to measure three to 4 heaping cups of shaving cream. So that would be about a cup. This part isn't that scientific. And it smells so good, you guys. All right, that's 2. That's 3. And the last one, 4. Right, I'm gonna get all that out of there. Okay, so next we're going to add some coloring. Now, if you want to just make white, skip the color altogether, you can add any food coloring you have at your house. You are getting 1 bottle of food coloring in your kit, and I usually just add maybe 4 or 5 dots and then kind of stir it in and see what I think about it. I might want more, I might want less. Because all of our ingredients are white or clear, your color is not going to be very bold. You don't want to add too much color because that'll add too much liquid to your concoction. So I kind of like this light minty color. Reminds me, my grandma used to make a salad that looked like this with maybe Jell-O and whipped cream. But don't eat this, friends. Okay. Next, we're going to measure our white glue. You have a small bottle of white glue, and you're going to pour that into your 1/2 cup measuring cup, and you're just going to mix it right in, okay? You want to get all of that 1/2 cup in there. It's an important part of your recipe. Now, when you're measuring for science, it's really important that you follow your recipe, because if you don't, your concoction will not turn out right. It may be too runny, it may be too sticky, and you really want this to be fun slime. So really follow the instructions and measure as precisely as possible. Okay, the next thing it says to do is to measure a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, which we have already done for you. So you're just gonna sprinkle that over the top and gently stir that in. And our last ingredient is going to be the saline solution. This is our activator. This is what actually turns it from fluff to slime. Okay, so we're gonna take that and we're just gonna pour it over the top. And you'll notice that your solution is starting to change, okay? This is the activator. This is kind of where the magic happens. So we're stirring it. You'll notice it's getting sticky. We're gonna stir for a little bit, and then we're gonna get our hands messy and use our hands, okay? It's really starting to change. It makes it more like, more just like slime is what it does. It keeps the fluffiness at bay, All right, it's time to get my hands dirty, friends. So I am just gonna get my hands right in there. I'm gonna knead it. You'll see it starting to separate from my hands really nicely. And I'm gonna scoop up everything that's in the bottom of my bowl and just mix it all together. Squeeze and mix, squeeze and mix, squeeze and mix. How satisfying is that, you guys? You'll feel it changing in your hands. It starts off feeling like shaving cream, and then before you know it, it starts to feel like slime. It's already starting to feel like slime, you guys. I love this slime so much, you guys. All right. Our slime is a-happening. You see how it's getting harder and stiffer? The more you play with it, the more the slime becomes less like fluff and more like slime. All right, we've got our ball. So now your hands are gonna be kind of sticky. So you wanna put your nice ball of slime back in your bowl that you made, and you can peel off some more slime. You'll wanna go wash your hands, and then you'll be ready to play with your slime. The more you play with it, the less sticky it'll get. You'll want clean hands to play with your slime, or it'll stick to you. See how it's sticking to my sticky hands? Ms. Lindsay wants to touch it.
That's awesome.
So her hands are cleaner, so it's not sticking as much. So friends, the more you play with it, the better. And you can store it right in the bowl that you mixed it in. And you should get probably 2 weeks of good play out of this. And then you'll want to use your recipe to make some more. All right, friends, thank you so much.